Dear children, welcome back to my channel Abhi's Math Academy. This is Abhisha. Today I am giving MCQ from chapter 3 matrices. Already I have given 50 MCQ. So I am giving that link in description box. If you want, you can visit. Come, let's start.
Class 12 MCQ chapter 3 matrices. Part 2 subject mathematics. First question. If A is equal to Aij 3 by 3 is a matrix given by A is equal to, they have given one matrix, then A23 plus A31 will be equal to dash. Here they have given one matrix, you have to find A23, then you have to find A31, then you have to add, then you will get the answer. This is very easy question. A23 means second row, third column. Here second row, third column. So 9. So A23 is equal to 9. Then what is A31? Third row, first column. This is third row, then first column. So 21 is the answer. So A31 is equal to 21. So what is A23 plus A31? You have to add 21 and 9. You will get 30. So 30 is the answer. Next question. If A is equal to 2 minus 3, 4, B is equal to 3, 2, 2, X is equal to 1, 2, 3 and Y is equal to 2, 3, 4, then AB plus XY equal to dash. They have given 4 options. This is very easy question. This is very important question, CBSE question. Let's do. They have given A, B, X and Y. We have to find AB plus XY. So first of all, we have to find AB, then you have to find XY, then you have to add, then you will get the answer. So first you have to find AB. So AB is equal to, what is A? 2 minus 3, 4. Then B is equal to 3, 2, 2. You have to multiply this one. So 2 into 3 how much? 6. Then minus 3 into 2 minus 6. 4 into 2 plus 8. So which is equal to 14 minus 8. Here you have to put this bracket. So 14 minus 6 which is equal to 8. Then you have to find xy which is equal to, what is the value of x? 1, 2, 3. Then what is the value of y? 2, 3, 4. Which is equal to, again you have to multiply 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 3, 6 plus 3 into 4, 12. Which is equal to 20. Then you have to add this one. So AB plus xy which is equal to 8 plus 20. So which is equal to 28. So option A is the correct answer. Let's move on to third question. If A is equal to Aij 3 by 4 matrix given by A is equal to 4, 5, this matrix they have given, then you have to find A11 plus A3t is equal to. They have given 4 options. They have given matrix A and A is equal to Aij 3 by 4 matrix. You have to find A11 and A32, then you have to add it. Here A11 means first row and first column 4. So A11 is equal to 4. Then you have to find A32, third row, second column. So third row, second column. What is the answer? A32 is equal to 9. Then you have to add this one. A11 plus A32 is equal to 4 plus 9, which is equal to 13. Then here they did not give the answer. They are given like this, A31, A23 like that. So you have to find where this 13 is present. So here means second row, third column. So A23. So what is the answer? Option B is the answer.
So this is the problem. Then this is the answer. If you want, you can write. Let's move on to next question, fourth question. Two matrices A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij are said to be equal if they are of same order and for all I and j the elements are. 4 options they have given. This is the definition of equal matrices. If Two matrices are equal means they have given two conditions. If they are of same order, they should be in same order. Then what is the next condition? Aij is equal to Bij for all I and j. So option B is the answer. Let's move on to fifth question. If A is a square matrix such that A square is equal to A, then what is 1 plus A the whole cube minus 7A? They have given four options. We have to find the value of 1 plus A the whole cube minus 7A. Let's do. So we have to find 1 plus A the whole cube minus 7A, correct? What is the formula for A plus B the whole cube? A plus B the whole cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. So you have to use this formula here. Here A is equal to 1 and B is equal to capital A. So which is equal to 1 cube plus A cube plus 3 into 1 square into A plus 3 into 1 into A square. This is for 1 plus A the whole cube. Don't forget to write this minus 7A. They have given A square is equal to A. So we have to split this A cube into A square into A. Then only you can use this one. So A cube is equal to A square into A plus 3A plus 3 into A square. What is the value of A square? A. Then you have to put the bracket, then outside minus 7A, which is equal to 1 plus what is the value of A square? Again A. So A into A plus 3A plus 3A minus 7A, which is equal to 1 plus what is A into A square. What is the value of A square? Again A. So 1 plus A plus 3A plus 3A minus 7A, which is equal to 1 plus 7A minus 7A. This all in A. So 3A plus 3A plus 7, 3A plus 3A plus A, which is equal to 7A. So this cancel, then which is equal to 1. So what is the answer? 1. So option D is the correct answer. Let's move on to sixth question. If this matrix is equal to this matrix, find A, B, C, X, Y, Z. So this matrix is equal to this matrix means you can write first number x plus 3 is equal to 0. You can write z plus 4 is equal to 6. So you can equate the corresponding elements. So first number. So x plus 3 which is equal to 0. From this you can find the value of x. X is equal to minus 3. Then z plus 4 is equal to 6. From this z plus 4 you can find the value of z. Z is equal to 6 minus 4 which is equal to 2. So z 2. Again you can write a minus 1 is equal to minus 3. A minus 1 is equal to minus 3. This implies A is equal to minus 3. This minus 1 becomes plus 1 which is equal to minus 2. So A minus 2. So what is the value of A? Minus 2. Then you can take 0 is equal to 2C plus 2. So 0 is equal to 2C plus 2. We have to find the value of C, correct? So you have to interchange this one. 2C plus 2 is equal to 0. If you are writing like this, confusion will not come. So this implies 2C is equal to minus 2. This implies C is equal to minus 2 by 2 which is equal to minus 1. So what is the value of C? Minus 1. So we found X, then Z, A, C. So you have to find B and Y. Here B means here this corresponding elements. B minus 3 is equal to 2B plus 4. You have to use this one, then you can find the value of B. So b minus 3 which is equal to 2b plus 4. This implies b minus 2b. This b term you have to take in left side, then which is equal to 4, you have to take this minus 3 to right side plus 3. This implies minus b is equal to 7, so b is equal to minus 7. So what is the value of b? B is equal to minus 7. Then you have to find the value of y, correct? So from here you have to write the terms. 3y minus 2 here 2y minus 7. Corresponding terms you have to equate. So 2y minus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2. Then this implies 2y minus this term you have to take it left side. 3y which is equal to minus 2 plus 7. This implies 2y minus 3y minus y which is equal to 5. So y is equal to minus 5. So a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 5, z is equal to plus 2. Now let's move on to 7th question. Suppose P and Q are two different matrices of order 3 by n and n by q. Then the order of matrix P by Q is dash. They have given 4 options. This is very important question, CBSE question. What is the answer? Here 3 by n, here n by q. Multiplication means 3 by q. So what is the answer? 3 by q. Option A is the correct answer. Next move on to 8th question. If this matrix is equal to this matrix, then find the value of x, y, z, a, b, c. From this you can write it easily. What is the value of x? Corresponding elements you can equate. So what is the element of x? Minus 1.5. Z 2. B 3. C 2. A root 6. Y 0. That's it. Next move on to 9th question. If a is equal to 1, 3, 3, 4 and a square minus k a minus 5I is equal to 0, then k is equal to what? They have given 4 options. From this you have to find the value of k. Here they have given a and this one. So first of all you have to write a square minus ka minus 5I is equal to 0. Then you have to substitute the value of a here. So 1, 3, 3, 4. Then a square means a into a, correct? That's right. So 1, 3, 3, 4 minus k into, you have to substitute again the value of a. So 1, 3, 3, 4 minus 5. What is I here? 2 by 2 matrices. So 1, 0, 0, 1 which is equal to 0. Then you have to multiply these two matrices. So 1 into 1, 1 plus 3 into 3, 9. Then like this, multiplication means like this, then like this, like this. So 1 into 3, 3 plus 3 into 4, 12. Then 3 into 1, 3 plus 4 into 3, 12. Then 3 into 3, 9 plus 4 into 4, 16. Then minus k. So you have to multiply k with all the numbers and write. So 1k, k, 3k, 3k, 4k. Minus, then you have to multiply this matrix with 5. So 5, 0, 0, 5 which is equal to 0. Then you have to simplify this one. 10, 15, 15, 25 minus k, 3k, 3k, 4k minus 5, 0, 0, 5 which is equal to 0. So this implies here k terms is there. Yes. So leave it that one. You have to minus this from this. So what is 10 minus 5? 5. What is 15 minus 0? 15. Then 15 minus 0? 15. 25 minus 5? 20. Then again you have to write this term. So k, 3k, 3k, 4k, which is equal to 0. Then you have to take this term outside, right side of this one. So 5, 15, 15, 20, which is equal to k, 3k, 3k, 4k. If two matrices are equal means the corresponding elements are equal. Yes. So what is k? K is equal to 5. So the value of k is equal to 5. You can check, you can take another also. You will get this value of k as 5. Let's do this. 3k is equal to 15, correct? If you are taking this also, you will get the value of k, which is equal to 15 by 3, which is equal to 5. Again you will get 5. If you are taking 20 is equal to 4k, 4k is equal to 20, again you will get k as 5. So what is the answer? K is equal to 5. So option A is correct. I will show this question and answers. If you want, you can write. Let's move on to 10th question. Find the values of A, B, C and D from the following equation. They have given one equation. Then you have to find the value of A, B, C, D. Here also this matrix is equal to this matrix means corresponding elements are equal. So 2A plus B is equal to 4, A minus 2B is equal to minus 3, 5C minus D is equal to 11, 4C plus 3D is equal to 24. So first two equations you have to use first. 2A plus B is equal to 4 and A minus 2B is equal to minus 3. So from these two equations you can find A and B. Then you have to take these two equations, 5C minus D, 4C plus 3D is equal to 24. From that you can find the values of C and D. That's it. First of all, you have to write these two equations. Then here 2B, here B only. So you have to multiply first equation by 2. So 1 into 2 implies 4A plus 2B, which is equal to 8. Then you have to write second equation. This implies A minus 2B is equal to minus 3. Then you have to add. If you are adding these two, you will get 0. So 5A plus 0, which is equal to 8 minus 3, 5. So what is A? A is equal to 5 by 5, which is equal to 1. So what is the value of A? A is equal to 1. So we got value of A. So you have to substitute the value of A into any one of this equation. So first equation 2 into value of A 1 plus B, which is equal to 4. This implies 2 plus B is equal to 4. This implies what is the value of B? 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. So value of B is equal to 2. Then you have to write last two equations. 5C minus D is equal to 11. 4C plus 3D is equal to 24. Here D, here 3D. So you have to, this is third equation, this is fourth equation. So you have to multiply third equation into 3. So 3 into 3. This implies 15C minus 3D, which is equal to 33. Then fourth equation 4C plus 3D is equal to 24. So this implies you have to add this one. Then only you will get this term 0. So 19C is equal to, what is 33 plus 24? 57. So C is equal to 57 by 19, which is equal to 3. So what is the value of C? 3. Then you have to substitute the value of C in third equation or fourth equation. I am taking third equation. So 5 into 3 minus D, which is equal to 11. So 15 minus D is equal to 11. So minus D is equal to 11 minus 15 is equal to minus 4. So what is the value of D? 4. Values of A, B, C, D. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, D is equal to 4. Let's move on to 11th question. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix A is equal to Aij whose elements are given by Aij is equal to I plus j the whole square divided by 2. They have given Aij. Then we have to construct the matrix 2 by 2 matrix. So A is equal to 2 by 2 matrix we have to write. So A11, A12, A21, A22. Then one more thing they have given Aij is equal to I plus j the whole square divided by 2. So what is A11? 1 plus 1 the whole square divided by 2. They have given Aij is equal to I plus j the whole square by 2, correct? So what is A11? Here I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. So you have to use this one. So 1 plus 1 the whole square divided by 2. So which is equal to 1 plus 1 the whole square divided by 2. What is A12? 1 plus 2 the whole square divided by 2. Then what is A21? 2 plus 1 the whole square divided by 2. What is A22? 2 plus 2 the whole square divided by 2. So which is equal to 1 plus 1, 2, 2 square means 4. So 4 by 2 which is equal to 2. So first term 2. Then what is 1 plus 2? 3. 3 square 9. So 9 by 2. Here also 3 square by 2, 9 by 2. Here what is 2 plus 2? 4. 4 square means 16. So 16 by 2 which is equal to 8. So this is the answer. Next move on to 12th question. If A is equal to 0, 2, 3, minus 4 and Ka is equal to 0, 3A, 2B, 24, then when the values of K, A and B respectively are, they have given 4 options. You have to find K, A and B. Here Ka they have given, so you have to substitute the value of A here. Then you have to equate the corresponding terms. Then you can get the values of Ka, A and B. So Ka is equal to this much, correct? Here you have to substitute the value of K. So K into 0, 2, 3 minus 4 which is equal to 0, 3A, 2B, 24. Then you have to multiply K into these all terms. All the numbers. So K into 0, 0. K into 2, 2K. Then 3K. Then minus 4K. Which is equal to 0, 3A, 2B, 24. So you can equate these corresponding terms. Here K terms, here A term, here K term, here normal number only. So first of all you have to equate this term. Minus 4K is equal to 24. Then you can find the value of K. So minus 4K is equal to 24. This implies K is equal to 24 minus divided by 4 minus 4 which is equal to minus 6. So what is the value of K? K is equal to minus 6. Then you have to equate this corresponding term. 2K is equal to 3A. So 2K is equal to 3A. This implies you have to substitute the value of K here. So 2 into minus 6 which is equal to 3A. This implies minus 16 minus 12 is equal to 3A. This implies what is the value of A? Minus 12 divided by 3 which is equal to minus 4. So we found the value of A as minus 4. Then you have to take this term. 3K is equal to 2B. So 3K is equal to 2B. Again you have to substitute the value of K here. What is the value of K? Minus 6. So 3 into minus 6 which is equal to 2B. This implies minus 18 is equal to 2b. This implies b is equal to minus 18 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 9. So what is the value of b? Minus 9. Value of a minus 4. K is equal to minus 6. So option B is the answer. So option B is the answer. Minus 6, minus 4, minus 9. Let's move on to 13th question. The number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 or 1 is, they have given 4 options. Order of the given matrix is equal to 3 by 3, correct? So 3 by 3 matrix means how many elements are there? 3 into 3, which is equal to 9. So number of 9 elements can be filled in 2 ways. Each entry 0 or 1, correct? So 2 ways. So by multiplication principle, number of matrices which is equal to 2 power this 9, which is equal to 512. So option D is the answer. Let's move on to 14th question. If A is equal to 4, 4, 2, 7, B they have given, C they have given, you have to find A minus B minus C. So you have to substitute the value of A, B, C here. So A minus B minus C. So you have to minus corresponding elements. 4 minus 1 minus 1 here. 4 minus 1 minus 1. Then next 4 minus 2 minus 4. 4 minus 2 minus 4. Next 2 minus of 1 minus 3. Here 7 minus 3 minus of minus 5. Then you have to simplify, that's it. So 4 minus 2. Here 4 minus 6. Here 2 plus minus of minus plus. So plus 1 minus 3. Here 7 minus 3 minus of minus plus 5. So if you are simplifying, you will get 2 minus 2, 0, 9. That's the answer. Then let's move on to 15th question. A square matrix B is equal to Bij M by N is diagonal matrix if all its non-diagonal elements are dash 0. So option A is correct. Square matrix is diagonal matrix means non-diagonal elements. Non-diagonal elements means this is a square matrix, correct? If this square matrix is diagonal means in this square matrix these are diagonal elements, correct? So these are the diagonal elements, correct? So this square matrix is diagonal matrix means these non-zero elements should be 0. See, these diagonal elements only non-zero, others are 0 only. So what is the answer? Option A, 0. Non-zero elements are 0. Next move on to 16th question. Find the value of x, y and z. They have given this equation. From this you can write easily what is 4y. Y is equal to 4. What is z? Z is equal to 3. Then from this x is equal to 1. So you can find it easily. Next move on to 17th question. Matrices A and B will be the inverse of each other only if they have given 4 options. You have to find matrices A and B will be the inverse of each other means AB is equal to BA is equal to I. So option D is correct. Then 18th question. The matrix P is equal to, they have given this matrix is a which matrix? Square matrix or diagonal matrix or unit matrix or none? Option A is correct. This is a square matrix. This is 3 by 3 matrix. So option A is correct. Let's move on to 19th question. If this matrix is equal to this matrix, then the value of X is. Here this means this is equal to this means you have to equate the corresponding terms. You have to find the value of X, correct? So you have to use this term. So 2x is equal to 6. So 2x is equal to 6 means you can find the value of x. X is equal to 6 by 2 which is equal to 3. So what is the value of x? 3. So option B is correct. Next move on to 20th question. If this matrix is equal to this matrix, then x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 2. True or false? Can't say partially true or false. These are the options. They have given the value of x and y. You have to say this is true or false. From this, you can write the corresponding terms, correct? So 1 plus x is equal to 2. So 1 plus x is equal to 2. From this, you can find the value of x. X is equal to 2 minus 1 which is equal to 1. So what is the value of x? 1. Then from this, you can write y minus 1 is equal to 3. So y minus 1 is equal to 3. You can find the value of y. So y is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So what is the value of y? 4. So the values of x and y are 1 and 4. But here they have given minus 1 and 2. So this is wrong, false. So option B is correct. Next move on to 21st question. A square matrix B is equal to Bij M by M is said to be diagonal matrix if they have given 4 options. What is the answer? Option A. Bij is equal to 0. Bij is equal to 0 when I is not equal to j. He explained in the last question, diagonal matrix means non-diagonal elements should be 0, correct? So non-diagonal elements means Bij is equal to 0 when I is not equal to j. I is equal to j means what? A11, A22, A33. This is A11, this is A22, this is A33. I is equal to j means these terms will come. But this term non-diagonal elements, correct? Non-zero elements. Non-diagonal elements only should be 0. So what is the condition? Bij is equal to 0 when I is not equal to j. This is the main thing. So you have to understand this thing. So option A is correct. This point you have to remember. Next move on to 22nd question. A square matrix in which elements the diagonal are all 1 and rest of all 0 is called which matrix? Which matrix? Identity matrix. Diagonal should be 1. Rest are all 0. So here they have given diagonals are all 1, rest are all 0, correct? So diagonals 1, 1, 1. 3 by 3 matrix means here 0, 0. Here 0, 0, 0, 0. This is the identity matrix, that's it. So option C is correct answer. Next let's move on to 23rd question. Construct a 3 by 4 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to 2i minus j. First you have to write 3 by 4 matrix. A11, A12, A13, A14, next A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34. Then you have to use this one. A11 means I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. So what is Aij? 2 into 1 minus 1. So 1. So A11 is equal to 2 into 1 minus 1 which is equal to 2 minus 1 which is equal to 1. Then similarly A12 is equal to 2 into 1 minus 2 which is equal to 2 minus 2 which is equal to 0. Then A13 which is equal to 2 into 1 minus 3 which is equal to 2 minus 3 which is equal to minus 1. Then A14 which is equal to 2 into 1 minus 4 which is equal to 2 minus 4 which is equal to minus 2. Next A21 which is equal to 2 into 2 minus 1 which is equal to 4 minus 1 which is equal to 3. Then A22 is equal to 2 into 2 minus 2 which is equal to 4 minus 2 which is equal to 2. Then A23 is equal to 2 into 2 minus 3 which is equal to 4 minus 3 which is equal to 1. Then A24 which is equal to 2 into 2 minus 4 which is equal to 4 minus 4 which is equal to 0. Then third row A31 3 into 1 minus 2 into 3 minus 1 which is equal to 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Then A32 equal to 2 into 3 minus 2 which is equal to 6 minus 2 which is equal to 4. Then A33 which is equal to 2 into 3 minus 3 which is equal to 6 minus 3 which is equal to 3. Then A34 which is equal to 2 into 3 minus 4 which is equal to 6 minus 4 which is equal to 2. So we found all the terms, then how to substitute, that's it. So this is the answer. Next move on to 24th question. A matrix is said to be row matrix if it has 1 row, 2 row or none. Option A is correct. This is the definition of row matrix. Row matrix means it has only one row. Only one row means like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the row matrix. So only one row means row matrix. So option A is correct. Next move on to 25th question. If this they have given, then the value of x and y. They have given this one, you have to find the value of x and y. So this the equation they have given. So first of all you have to multiply x with all the numbers. So 2x, 3x. Here also with y, minus y, y, which is equal to 10, 5. So this implies you have to add these two. So 2x, second number minus y, then here 3x plus y, which is equal to 10, 5. Then you have to equate corresponding terms. 2x minus y is equal to 10. This term is equal to this term. Then 3x plus y is equal to 5. So from this you can find the value of x and y. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Then if you want to cancel this term, you have to add this one. So what is 2x plus 3x? 5x plus 0 which is equal to 15. So what is the value of x? 15 by 5 which is equal to 3. So you found the value of 3. Then substitute the value of 3 into any one of these equations. So I am taking first equation. So 2x minus y is equal to 10. So 2 into 3 minus y is equal to 10. So 6 minus y is equal to 10. Therefore what is the value of y? 10 minus 6 equal to 4. So what is the value of y? Minus 4. So the value of x and y, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 4. So this is the problem I am showing. If you want you can write. So hope all you understand my explanations and all. Hope this is very useful to you. If you like this video, please share to your friends and relatives. See you in the next video. Thank you.